Hello everyone, my name is Mika. Today I will talk about Mom's Ice Cream Shop. Today is the grand opening of my mom's ice cream shop. My mom's ice cream shop is near my school. I like to eat matcha best and the chocolate. My friends also wants to eat it too. Everyone in the building wants to eat it. Try it to taste it, but no more chocolate, only matcha and another thing. I eat I eat so many chocolate. Now I need to buy chocolate for my mom to buy it. Now I don't eat chocolate anymore. I eat matcha. I go to my friend's house and share to my friends too. But my friend have some cheese. I get some cheese and put in the ice cream. It is super yummy. I get it and go to my parents and share it. My parents feel it is so yummy. They said ice cream is the best. Bye bye, see you again.